Hello friends. During my previous class, I told you about straight consonants. They are 6 in numbers. Now, today, I will tell you the next 8 consonants. They are known as curved consonants, or it is also known as curves. Curves are 8 in numbers. The first curve is F. The second is V. Third is it. Next is the. Next S, Z, ish, and Z. So total 8 are there, and all the 8 are written in the curved shape and also in the downward direction. That is the curve F, V, it, D, S, Z, ish, and Z. So I wrote all in curved shape. So these are to be written in the downward direction. Out of 8, 4 are light signs, 4 are heavy signs, that is dark signs. F, it, S, and ish, they are the light signs, whereas V, D, Z, and Z are heavy signs. Whenever there is a heavy sound, it is to be written in heavy sign, that is dark. Whenever there is a light sound, it is to be written light sign, that is a light curve. All these curves are to be written in the downward direction, not upward direction or any other direction, downward direction. So if you write F like this, it is wrong because you are writing in the upward direction. In the case of ish also, if you write like this, it is wrong because you are writing in the upward direction. So remember that these 8 consonants are curves, they are written in the downward direction. So in a circle, if you divide the circle into 4 parts, the first half, that is number 1, in between this and this, if you write a light, that is F, dark V, then it, D, S, Z, ish, Z. So I wrote in each sign there are 2 consonants because I wrote one light, another dark, one light, one dark. So like that there are 8 curved consonants. So I will give an example. For example, wheel. So there is V. Then faith, Faith, the last sound is it. So like that zero, zero, zebra. So like that these are the 8 curved consonants.